Hi, my name is Tino Tenda from the International Institute of Digital Marketing, and this is Digital Marketing Made Simple for Independent Artists. With so much competition in the world for music, the need for artists to become more creative and consistent with how they evolve their online presence grows by the day. Trust me, as an independent artist myself, I know. The main focuses of effective digital marketing as an artist are to scale up your following over social media, know where your real audience exists, take advantage of non-musical content, and extend your presence through press outlets. There are various ways that an artist can achieve this. An important thing to set up is a platform where you can connect with your fans and build your brand. The first and increasingly more popular way is through social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Other ways that have been used in the music industry are official artist websites and email lists, and direct messaging. These platforms have made it easier for artists to showcase themselves in the world. The next way is to create an electronic press kit or EPK that has information about you as an artist, as well as promotional highlights and upcoming releases. This document is important in digital marketing, as it serves as the document you will send to pitch to playlists, blogs, and other digital platforms for promotion. All in all, the digital era has made it easier to get your name out there as an independent artist and build your fan base. With new ways to digitally market yourself popping up all the time, it's important to stay creative and consistent if you want to see success in your career. Who knows? Maybe it will lead to you becoming the next big thing. For more information, visit our website www.iidm.world.